Take two. I mean, take one. Pretty much the same thing, but reharmonize. We call it reharmonize, different chords. And a couple of different notes. We start up here at F. I mean F, that's the chord. We start up here at C. You play it a couple times, and then you're going to pick up your pinky and just move over, which will make it a little bit easier to play this. It's the same thing, you expand, contract, and then it's the same business, 2, 3, exactly the same as the first half, except for the starting of it, and then same thing here, and then you're going to jump with that pinky, same thing as the first half, and then this out of order business, thumb out, exactly the same thing. Chords are going to be different. F, C, D minor,